Another video on how you can avoid fees with GDAX. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button, like, thumb, comment, share, so forth. GDAX, guys, go to gdax.com if you have created a Coinbase account. GDAX and Coinbase are the same. They are one. GDAX is just a little bit more elaborate in their trading, whereas for Coinbase, it's friendly, it's easy, and it's why you pay quite a bit of fees. But to avoid fees, I will show you guys how you guys can avoid fees with GDAX in a moment. Once you're on GDAX though, this is when you're trading and using BTC and USD. Deposit and withdrawal is what you're going to be using most of the times. When you're depositing money is when you're bringing money from one exchange to GDAX, someone else's wallet to GDAX, or from Coinbase to GDAX, okay? When you're withdrawing money from GDAX, you're sending money from GDAX to an external exchange, to an external wallet, to someone's personal wallet. That's what you're doing when you're hitting withdrawal. So deposit, withdrawal. When you're hitting withdrawal and you're sending your BTC, you want to hit your BTC address, put in the destination on where you're sending it to, copy and paste, and so forth. So if you're on Bitconnect and you hit that, you go over to the wallet, on the wallet tab where it says deposit Bitcoin, this is where you're going to be copy and pasting that address, and that's where you're going to be pasting it into this destination here. Put in the amount, get that two-factor code in, withdraw funds, good to go. If you are depositing, same exact thing. This is where you're going to be sending that, copying the address here, and you're going to be pasting it into the send button here on Bitcoin, excuse me, Bitconnect, and that's where you're going to be sending over the Bitcoins there. Your market limit and stop, I'll talk to you guys this in about a moment. These are all your orders. So this little fancy chart here, this is a more elaborate version on what's going on. This is the reason why you get this price here. So the way it works is the orders, and there's everything that's green or blue, I've seen in some exchanges, it's the buy orders. Everything that's orange or red is the sell orders. The way it works is if there's more sell orders than buy orders, then the price is going to go down. If there's more buy orders than sell orders, then the price is going to go up. And if the price is just not moving too much, that means there's a shit ton of sell and buy orders going on. A lot that are meeting, and sometimes I'll see sell orders for like 1,000 Bitcoins, which is insane, and that's just waiting to take a while for all those orders to be fulfilled, because if someone's selling into the market, someone's also trying to buy that price they're selling it for from the market, so you have to wait for everything to be processed through. On the sell order side, the bottom order is the cheapest price. That is the current price that's going for that sale, and as you go up, these are the higher prices. For the buy orders, this is the again, this is the highest price, and everything else is the cheapest order. You want to buy for the cheapest price, and you always want to sell for the highest price. That's the name of the game. When you go over to market and you want to buy BTC, you're pretty much paying for the market price. You're paying for the average, the market price for that second that you bought it for. Not really going to elaborate on this too much. That's just what it is. On your limit price, this is where you avoid fees with GDAX. This is how I buy everything and sell everything. Let's say if you want to buy you want to put a limit price in. Once you place an order, I can see that the order right now for buy order is $14,428.67. I want to buy it for a lot cheaper. I want to buy for $14,002. $402. I like that price. So I would click that price, and that price would show up here on the limit price. I would put in the amount of BTC and so forth that I want, place the buy order, and I would wait. What will happen is that once you process this buy limit order, it's going to go pending into the market. It might show up somewhere down here. You do have to wait, though, to see if there's going to be enough sell orders to meet that buy order price. So the market would have to go down in order to favor that price for you, because the price is currently at $14,361. So you might wait. If it does not meet your price order in the day, it will still stay there for days to come. It will not fulfill that order until that price is met. And then once that price is fulfilled from the market, you will have an updated price on your BTC showing for the amount that you bought that BTC for. Same thing goes for a sell price. Let's say you don't want to sell it at the current market price, $14,357. You want to sell it for like $17,000. So you would place in and put in your 17,000 price there, put in the amount that you want to sell, place the sell order, and it will stay there. You will get no fees or anything like that if you do cancel these limit buys and sells orders. But while it's in there, could take days before your order is fulfilled. If you buy and sell this way, you will pay no fees because you are the maker in the market. Makers do not pay fees, takers will. So if you are a taker, you will be buying at market price and paying a fee. Why would somebody want to do a limit than a market? Well, because they want to A, avoid the fees. B, when you place a market price, you get that BTC now and there's no wait. When you place an order with limit, you're waiting. So if you want to jump in on other exchanges and trade and you want to get another cryptocurrency at a lower price, guess what? You most likely want to be quick and done with this. So you probably want to buy a market price and get your transfer and your withdrawal out to the crypto exchange that you want to deposit your BTC in, and buy it for the price that you want to buy that cryptocurrency for. Limit holders will be those of us that want to avoid fees, and we will just want to get it at a price. We are patient. We'll wait for our money to come in. We'll wait for that order to be fulfilled, if it's going to be fulfilled or not. That's pretty much it. Oh, a stop order real quick. Stop order means you would place an order and buy an order of a price of, let's say if you bought at $14,350 and you wanted a stop price of $12,000, for example. What will end up happening is that if the market proceeds below $12,000, at that $12,000 mark, you put that price in, the system will automatically sell your BTC out into the market, and you won't have to worry about taking a loss. Pretty cool. I don't use it a lot because when I know that I really don't hold any BTC in here. I'm always constantly trading my BTC with other cryptocurrencies, so I don't use that too much. But if I'm going to hold it and I'm going to keep the value, it's better to put a stop buy on that purchase that you made of BTC instead of leaving your BTC in, because as we all know, BTC can be very volatile and it might fall. That's all I have for GDAX. If you guys have any more questions, please leave on the comments below. Cryptocurrency update for Bitconnect, guys. This has been doing some good numbers for the last few days. I'll show you guys. This is day number 12 for me. It's been 2 full weeks exactly. Today's the 12th day of Christmas. I'm just kidding. I went ahead and started on the 26th of November. And that was the initial 2230 for my BTC. Now I have quite a bit of loans now. I've grown some loans, and you can see now my total investment is $2,700 from 2230. I've grown quite a bit. There's about $220 though that wasn't part of that growth. $110 is actually $110 that I made into a video on how I can start with Bitconnect. And then another $111 was paid from a sponsor of mine. Thank you, Crypto Joe. So total investment though has still grown to $2,700. This is what I've made for 2 weeks, not doing anything with my index finger. I've been clicking and investing, and this is what I've been profiting out. For 2 weeks, I made $246.76. We still have about 6 or 7 months to go, guys. So this number is going to grow substantially handsome, and I would suggest you guys jump in on it. For Bitconnect X, guys, get started. It's today. 9 more hours left. Bitconnect X is going to be hot. I would hold on to this till it hits $10, or I would say $10 and sell, dump it. If it does hit up like Binance, or even if it hits up like Bitconnect did, it's going to blow in the hundreds. This is going to be a great investment. The ICOs today, there's going to be a certain amount of limited token sale. Once that token sale is done and fulfilled, guys, then it's all in the market, and after that, it's trading and selling at lower and higher prices. So get on this tonight. Um, they do accept Bitconnect tokens, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. Litecoin is faster, so I recommend if you guys are gonna buy some Bitconnect X, buy it into Litecoin. Bitcoin is pretty volatile right now. It's a little dangerous. So because if you buy $1,000 worth of Litecoin, excuse me, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, trying to pay $1,000 worth of Bitconnect X, and this drops tonight, this drops to like 13,000. Your $1,000 is not going to be $1,000 at the moment, but Litecoin is pretty stable. This price at its lowest has been around 220. That's been the lowest it's been for the last few weeks. So it's been pretty stable. It's been riding along. Oh, 215, 212, excuse me. But for the last week, it's actually been pretty good at 230. I would say would be the lowest it's ever reached. So 245, this is subject to be going up. So if you buy $1,000 worth of Litecoin and the price does go up, by the time you're ready to buy Bitconnect X, you'll have more Litecoin to purchase with. Another thing too for cryptocurrency coin market cap, guys, it sucked this week, but there's been a dip and a fall on most of our cryptocurrencies. What ended up happening was that coin market cap went ahead and removed the Korean market exchanges prices out of everything that was in CoinMarketCap. All of them, only because their prices was just ridiculous. So take BitHum here. Their price is at $21,481 for a Bitcoin, where everyone else's price is about $14,000. And you can see Japan is a little bit higher too, $16,186. So what ended up happening was they removed that because it just doesn't make sense. Most of our exchanges are all in one price, and then you got certain markets that are just berserk with $5,000 or $6,000 above what Bitcoin's price is. And so CoinMarketCap went ahead and said, well, went ahead and did. They didn't even tell us, which I think that was just complete douchebag move. But they went ahead and removed all the prices out of the CoinMarketCap. And yesterday morning, we all woke up to seeing a crazy drop. I mean, 30% drops on most of these coins. And these coins keep dropping because people keep freaking out and they're selling. So these are all panic sell, guys. Hold on to your cryptocurrency, or it's a great time to buy in because the dips are in. Everyone's dipping. So as they dip, it's a great time to buy. But please don't freak out. This is just panic sales. These are newbies who are just got into the market for the past week. They got their big investments, and now they freaked out, saw one warning, didn't understand what was going on. So please take this with a grain of salt, guys. This is a website reporting averages for CoinMarketCap. As always, if you're looking to keep up with your cryptocurrency prices, look at the exchanges. Read the exchanges, guys. Okay, read the exchanges when you're buying your cryptocurrency. Don't base your buys and sells on this. Because this is a third-party site that's always taking time might take time, and the numbers might not be right. But to contradict myself, their prices are actually going to be pretty accurate now, because if you go to any of these coins, you hit the market tab there, you're going to see all these coins, and price is going to be relatively close, except anything that's from Korea, which is KRW, which is going to be absurd and out of this price range. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Comment below if you guys have any concerns, comments, and feedback. If there's anything else that you guys want to see me and talk about and show, get ready for Bitconnect X, guys. I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Later.